Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 7th, 2019, and I want to show you today how to plant radish seeds. So I'm going to be growing 3 different varieties this year. The white icicle, the watermelon radish, which is also known as a Chinese meat radish, and I'm going to be growing the cherry bell radishes. Now, I really like the cherry bells. The white icicle and the watermelon, I've never gotten to taste those before. I tried sowing them last year, but unfortunately I sowed them a little too late in the summertime. So trying them again this year. So I'm out here in my veggie trough, which I just planted here. And I'm going to be sowing some radish seeds so I can have some radishes to go along with the leafy greens. So this is what radish seeds look like here. And what you do is you want to cover them with about a 1/4 inch of soil. Now my radish seeds are pre-chilled. I had them in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, and I pre-chill them before I sow them. So I'm just going to be putting these here on the soil here real quick, and my soil is nice and moist. And I just push the seed into the soil, and I just cover it with about a 1/4 inch of my soil. Now I can label these, and I probably will, so I know where I'm putting each one at. And I'm just kind of putting them in between, like the spinach plants here. You can put them in between the lettuce, in between your kale. I haven't tried them yet in between the bok choy. This is my first year ever growing bok choy from seed, so haven't tried them that way yet. Now my soil is already wet, and so I don't have to water this again because this is already wet. So I'm going to finish planting these seeds. I'll come back and I will show you, so we'll be back. Okay, so I finished planting my radish seeds, and I marked each row. Now each variety has a different color tag, and I'll have a link down in the description for these tags. I had bought the smaller ones of these, and I was really impressed by them, so I went back for the larger ones, and you can actually do this with them. And it's not breaking. And I've had the other tags already where they've actually snapped on me. So when I found these, I went back and ordered more of them. So I'll have a link down in the description for those. Now, when you're sowing radishes, it's like with carrots and parsnips, you want to make sure that your soil is nice and soft. You don't want hard soil. You want nice and like fluffy soil. And this was already fed with EcoScraps 555 plant food, and I'll have a link down in the description for that, and that'll help them. That's a well-balanced food, and it was also given some Epsom salt. Now these should start germinating within 7 to 14 days, and by putting my tag here, I'll know which ones are coming up. So when these start coming up for me, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now, the cherry bell radish, I think that's, depending on the variety, some varieties mature sooner, so you'll get an earlier harvest. But the cherry bell radishes, they will get done sooner than the icicle and the watermelon radish will. So if you're looking for an earlier radish, go with the cherry bell. And what I'll actually do with these to get a nice supply of radishes is about once a week I'll sow some more radish seeds to keep them coming. Now in the real high heat of summer, or like when summer's approaching, you'll probably want to stop planting these, because I know for the cherry bells they can get pretty spicy when it starts getting really warm out. I'm not sure about the white icicle, and I'm not sure about the watermelon radish, but I know the cherry bells can get spicy. So today is May the 11th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the radish seeds here that I planted. You can see here they're just starting to germinate here. This is the white icicle radish here, and then there's some more. Here's another one here. And then there's some over here. This is a watermelon one. And there's some more up here. Pull the weeds out. And over here, these are the cherry bell radishes. So these are starting to come up for me. I just wanted to give you this quick video update. Now, the veggie trough in the back gets the sun later in the day than the swimming pool does out front that I put more radish seeds in with all the leafy greens. So that one up there, the radishes are a little bit more advanced than these back here because they're getting the morning sun more. So I just wanted to give you this quick video update to show you that they are germinating and they are coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description from my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!